Hello all my dear students. Today we are going to start second unit. Yes, it is second unit's first poem, Bird Talk. Do you think birds find people funny? Do you really think birds find people funny? This is a personal type question, my dear students. They are asking us that do you think birds are talking with each other and they find people funny? येस इट इज म्हणजे यांनी विचारलं आहे की तुम्हाला असं वाटतं का की पक्ष्यांना माणसं अशी फनी वाटत असतील किंवा मजेशीर वाटत असतील. लेट्स लिसन टू व्हॉट द रॉबिन अँड जे हॅव टू से. चला तर मग पाहूयात या कवितेतल्या रॉबिन आणि जेला काय म्हणायचंय. ओके, बट this is the name of our poem. What is the name of our poem? Bird talk. Okay, then what is mean by bird talk? पक्ष्यांचं बोलणं किंवा पक्षी बोलतात हे या कवितेत दिलेलं आहे. ओके, then things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. One day what happened? There are two birds. First bird's name is Robin and second bird's name is Jay. Robin and Jay are talking with each other. One day they are sitting in a garden and they are talking with each other and they are saying to each other, think said the robin. Think, what is mean by think? कि विचार कर Robin. Okay, आणि विचार कर Jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. रॉबिन आणि जय गार्डनमध्ये बसलेले असतात आणि ते दोन पक्षी एकमेकांशी बोलत असतात की विचार कर रॉबिन, विचार कर जय. थिंग्स सेड द रॉबिन, थिंग्स सेड द जय, सिटिंग इन द गार्डन टॉकिंग वन डे. एक दिवस बोलताना बघा, थिंग्स सेड द रॉबिन, रॉबिन म्हटला विचार कर. थिंग्स सेड द जय, जय ऑल्सो सेड दॅट थिंक अबाउट दिस. सिटिंग इन द गार्डन, बागेमध्ये बसून. टॉकिंग वन डे, एक दिवस बोलत होते. बघा, याचं पुन्हा एकदा पाहूया. रॉबिन अँड जय आर टू बर्ड्स. दे आर टॉकिंग विथ ईच अदर अँड सेइंग ईच अदर दॅट थिंक अबाउट दिस थिंग. वन डे दे बोथ हॅव सीटन इन अ गार्डन अँड दे आर टॉकिंग विथ ईच अदर इन अ फर्स्ट स्टँजा. पहिल्या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये रॉबिन आणि जय एकमेकांशी बोलत आहेत आणि एकमेकांना सांगतायत की विचार कर रॉबिन आणि विचार कर जय. काय विचार कर तर पुढं दिले आपल्याला, पाहूयात. थिंक अबाउट पीपल, द वे दे ग्रो, दे डोंट हॅव फीडर्स ॲट ऑल यू नो. काय म्हणतात बघा, थिंक अबाउट पीपल, थिंक अबाउट पीपल, थिंक अबाउट डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ अ पीपल. द वे दे ग्रो, the peoples are growing in a different ways and birds are growing in a different ways. Yes it is, yes it is. They don't have feeders at all, you know. They don't have feeders. People, human beings don't have feeders. Why? Because we are different than that of a birds. Okay, so birds are talking with each other and they are saying that think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feeders at all, you know. Then one bird is saying to another bird that think about people, think about the human beings, the way they grow, the way what they grow, and they are growing really very very differently. The birds are thinking about that. We all are birds and we all are growing in a different ways. We have feathers and human beings don't have feathers. How they grow? And they are really very growing differently. म्हणजे या स्टँजाचं मत आहे थिंक अबाउट पीपल, की अशा माणसांबद्दल विचार कर, म्हणजे अशा माणसांबद्दल विचार कर की ते कशा पद्धतीने वाढतात, त्यांचं वाढणं काहीतरी वेगळ्या पद्धतीचं आहे असं ते पक्षी एकमेकांशी चर्चा करताना बोलत आहेत. की हे ह्युमन बीइंग्स खूप वेगळ्या पद्धतीने वाढतात आणि त्यांना फीदर्स पण नाही आहेत, त्यांना पंख पण नाही आहेत, त्यांना पिसं पण नाही आहेत. कसं काय हे वाढतात? असं दोन पक्षी एकमेकांशी बोलताना संवाद साधतात. बघा, थिंक अबाउट पीपल, द वे दे ग्रो, दे डोंट हॅव फीदर्स ॲट ऑल, यू नो. जसं की तुला माहितीच आहे की त्यांना पंखच नाही आहे, त्यांना पीसेस नाही आहेत, मग ते किती वेगळ्या पद्धतीने वाढतात असं एक पक्षी दुसऱ्या पक्षाला म्हणतोय. देन we will see in a third stanza, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like seeding on the wires and things. One bird is saying to another bird that human beings don't eat beetles. Beetles म्हणजे किडे. जे पक्षी छोटे छोटे किडे खातात ना, तर ते चर्चा करतायत की ह्युमन बीइंग्स तर खात नाहीत किडे. They don't eat beetles. Human beings don't eat beetles. They are talking with each other. The two birds are talking with each other. Jay and second one is Robin. Robin and Jay are talking that they don't eat beetles. Human beings don't eat beetles. Yes. Do we eat beetles? No. We eat different types of a food which is really very good to our health. We don't eat beetles. We also don't like the beetles to eat. Yes, it is. We don't eat it. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. Human beings don't have wings. Yes, it is. आपल्याला कोणाला पंख आहेत का? नाही. ह्युमन बीइंग्सना पंख नाही आहेत. मग ते पक्षी चर्चा करतात की ह्युमन बीइंग्स किडे पण खात नाहीत, त्यांना पंखही नाही आहेत. दे डोंट लाईक सिटिंग ऑन अ वायर्स अँड थिंग्स. त्यांना वायरवर किंवा वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींवर बसायलाही नाही आवडत. असं ते पक्षी एकमेकांशी चर्चा करतात बघा. They don't eat beetles. Human beings don't eat beetles. They don't have wings. Human beings also don't have the wings. And also, they don't like sitting on a wires. Do human beings like to sit on a wire or they can sit on a wire? No, it's not possible. In a regular basis, we use chairs to sit and we use different types of other things. Okay. But two birds, Jay and Robin, are talking about that human beings did not eat beetles. Human beings don't have a wings, and they don't like to sit wires and different things. Okay, let's see again this stanza. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like to sitting on a wires and things. असं म्हणतात की माणसांना किडे खायलाही नाही आवडत, त्यांना पंखही नाही आहेत, त्यांना वायरवर आणि वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींवर बसायलाही नाही आवडत, असं ते दोन पक्षी चर्चा करतात. इन लास्ट स्टांजा, थिंग्स सेड द रॉबिन, थिंग्स सेड द जय, आरंट द पीपल फनी टू बी दॅट वे. ते म्हणतात थिंग्स सेड द रॉबिन. Robin is saying also and Jay is also saying. The two birds are saying that aren't people funny? Aren't human beings are funny? They are really very funny that they don't do this type of a thing. It is saying that the human beings are really very very different than that of us. So let's see first of all summary of this poem. This is really very simple poem, my dear students, and it is really very sweet to understanding. Let's see again. Okay, Robin and Jay are two birds. They are talking with each other and they are sitting in a garden. Garden म्हणजे बागेत बसलेत बघा. They are sitting in a garden. They are talking with each other. Think about people, the way they grow. People are growing really very differently than that of birds. They are talking with each other. They don't have feathers. The human beings don't have feathers at all, you know. Birds are talking with each other that human beings don't have feathers and they are growing really very differently. They don't eat beetles. Human beings evenly don't eat beetles and they don't grow wings. They don't have wings. We are human beings and we don't have a wings, but birds have wings. So they are talking with each other and saying that human beings don't have wings. They don't like to sitting on a wires and trees. They don't like to sitting on a wires and things. They are talking with each other that human beings don't like to sit on the wires. We can't sit on the wires, so they are talking with each other that human beings can't sit on the wires. They don't like to sit on the wires. They don't eat beetles. They don't have wings. And after all these things, these are different than that of human beings, and also that of difference between human beings and birds. And they are talking and laughing at human beings, people, think, think said the robin, think said the jay, aren't the people funny to be that way? People are really very funny. They're really very different in their ways. So these birds are talking. So all of this summary, let's see in the Marathi also. ही कविता आहे दोन पक्ष्यांच्या बोलण्याची, बर्ड टॉक. दोन पक्षी बोलत आहेत बघा, रॉबिन आणि जय. रॉबिन आणि जय एकमेकांशी बोलत आहेत. कुठं बोलत आहेत तर ते दोघं एक दिवस गार्डनमध्ये बसून, बागेत बसून एकमेकांशी बोलत आहेत की बघ माणसं कशी वाढतात. थिंक अबाउट पीपल दॅट दे ग्रो. ते कशा पद्धतीने वाढतात. त्यांना पंख नाही आहेत. दे डोंट हॅव फीदर्स ॲट ऑल यू नो. त्यांना पंख नाही आहेत जसं की तुला माहिती आहे. म्हणजे त्यांना पिसंही नाही आहेत जसं की आपल्याला माहिती आहे. दे डोंट ईट बिटल्स. ह्युमन विंग्स किडेही खात नाहीत. दे डोंट ग्रो विंग्स. त्यांना पंखही नाही आहेत. दे डोंट लाईक टू सिटिंग इन ऑन अ वायर्स अँड थिंग्स. आणि त्यांना वायरवर आणि वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींवर बसायलाही आवडत नाही. थिंग्स सेड द रॉबिन, थिंग्स सेड द जय, aren't the people funny to be that way. हे दोघं एकमेकांना म्हणतात की विचार कर रॉबिन आणि विचार कर जय की ही माणसं किती वेगळ्या पद्धतीने वाढतात आणि किती फनी आहेत, किती मजेशीर आहेत. सो माय डिअर स्टुडंट्स, लेट्स रीड द पोएम अगेन, ओके, in a different ways, okay. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on a wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So my dear students, you also have to sing this poem just like this. My voice is not so good. Please understand my voice. My voice is really very dangerous. After that, new words. New words? Yes, it is. New words, it is a different words or a difficult words. That is new words for all of us. Okay? First, beetles. Beetles, beetles म्हणजे किडे. Sitting. Sitting म्हणजे बसणे. Wires. वायर्स म्हणजे आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की वायर्स, तारा. फनी. फनी म्हणजे मजेशीर, गमतीशीर. ओके. सो माय डिअर स्टुडंट्स, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन्स अबाउट दिस पोएम. आय होप यू अंडरस्टँड पोएम. येस, इट इज. Reading is a fun. Yes, all of you and all of us know that reading is really very fun, and reading is one of my favorite thing. And yours also. Yes, it is now. Yes, it is, my dear students. First, name the two birds in this poem. First, they have asked us that name the two birds in this poem. Which are the two birds in the poem? Yes, first is a robin, second is a jay. These are the two names of this birds in this poem. Second, what are three things that people can't do? What are the three things that people can't do? In this previous poem, we have seen that people don't have feathers, people don't grow wings, and also they don't like to sit on the wires and things, and also people don't eat beetles. Okay, these are the things. These are the things that people cannot do. Okay, what do birds think about people? पक्षी माणसांबद्दल काय विचार करतात? People think about birds. Birds think about people, that people are really very funny. Okay, then talking time. Yes, it is. It is our favorite session. Talking time. Imagine that two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. You can say, look at the man's nose. See how small it is. So, in talking time, they have given us one of the activity that we have to do that. Think about two elephants are there and they are talking with each other. Elephant, हत्ती. दोन हत्ती एकमेकांशी भेटून काय बोलतील याचा विचार करायला आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे. आणि कुठल्या कुठल्या मुद्द्यांवर विचार करायला सांगितलं आहे बघा. What people look like, what they eat, how they talk. And two elephants are going to talk with each other. And what will they say first? Yes, first they will say, look at man's nose. See how small nose it is. Then let's find two things which you can do and the birds can't do till the classes. We have to find two things that we all can do and birds cannot do. What are the two things? We can walk. Yes, it is. But birds cannot walk. We can dance, but birds cannot dance. These are two different things in my ways. In your ways, you have to write the different thing what you find in the birds and human beings. म्हणजेच माणसांमध्ये आणि पक्ष्यांमध्ये कुठल्या दोन गोष्टी डिफरंट आहेत की ज्या माणसं करू शकतात आणि पक्षी करू शकत नाहीत हे तुम्हाला शोधून काढायचं आहे. ओके, मी दोन गोष्टी सांगितल्या आहेत ज्या खूप सोप्या आहेत, तुम्हालाही तुमच्या परीने हुडकायच्या आहेत. कळतंय? Okay, then team time. Yes, it is, my dear students, it is team time, but we are not meeting each other. You have to do this activity with your family members. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Activity. Let's make a finger puppets. Yes, we are going to make a finger puppet. What is mean by finger puppet? Finger puppet, it means that की आपल्या बोटाला अडकवायला मिळेल असं छोटंसं एक बाहुला तयार करायचं आहे आपल्याला. फिंगर पपेट. सो ड्रॉ युअर फेवरेट बर्ड ऑन युअर sheet of paper, cut and color it. First of all, what we have to do is we have to draw our favorite bird. आपल्या आवडता पक्षी आपल्याला ड्रॉ करायचा आहे आणि तो पक्षी त्या आकारामध्ये कट करून घ्यायचा आहे कात्रीने आणि त्याला रंग भरायचे सुंदर असे. बघा, टेक अ स्ट्रीप ऑफ अ क्लॉथ और अ पेपर आणि आपल्याला कापडाची एक पट्टी घ्यायची आहे. कापडाची किंवा कागदाची घेतली तरी चालेल. पेस्ट द पिक्चर ऑफ बर्ड ऑन यू हॅव ड्रॉ ऑन इट. आपल्याला त्या कागदाच्या पट्टीवर किंवा काय म्हणतात त्याला कापडाच्या पट्टीवर काय करायचं आहे तर आपण ही छान रंगवलेली पक्ष्याचं चित्र चिटकवायचं आहे. ओके, द लिटिल टाय द टू एंड्स ऑफ द स्ट्रीप. आणि त्या स्ट्रीपचे दोन जे टोक आहेत ती आपल्याला एकमेकांना बांधायची आहेत. पेपरची असेल तर चिटकवायची आहेत आणि जर कापडाची असतील तर ती शिवून घ्यायची. ओके, चिटकवली तरी चालेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. फिक्स इट ऑन युअर फिंगर आणि ती तुमच्या बोटाला तुम्हाला घालायची आहे. युअर फिंगर पपेट इज रेडी टू टॉक आणि तुमची फिंगर पपेट बोलण्यासाठी तयार आहे. लेट युअर पपेट फ्लाय along with your finger puppet and then you have to fly it and you have to talk about it. Yes, it is. You have to move your finger puppet and talk whatever you like. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you like this poem really very much, that we all are enjoying it. We all love birds and you all have to do puppets. Yes, it is. Your activity is that you all have to do puppets with your own self. Finger puppets you have to make. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And after that you have to do your homework also. So don't forget to do your homework and send me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next chapter.